Hello my dear students, welcome back. This video is for the students of class 1st, subject Maths, chapter 4, subtraction 1 to 20, and it's our lecture number 4. So students, in this video we are going to learn some things. So before starting, I want to say that first of all I will finish lecture number 4. Later on at the end of video we will discuss the homework solution of previous lecture. So let's get started today's video. In today's video, our subtopic is subtract, that is book exercise. Okay, in your book, we will do book exercise today. In your book exercise, the heading is subtract. Okay, so today we will do our book exercise that is named as activity, and the subtopic is subtract. Okay, so today we are going to do our book exercise. We will fill our book today with the help of numbers we have done in the previous video. Now it's time, today it's time to fill our book that is named as subtract. Book exercise is named as subtract. So let's get started. So students, here we have book exercise number 2. SUBTRACT. Subtract. Subtract means minus karna. Subtract means minus karna. So we will do subtraction here. So first of all, as we did in addition, similarly here we will do that we will keep the first number in our mind and the second numbers we will open our fingers as ma'am have told you earlier. Ma'am has told you earlier. So we will keep first number in our mind and open second number's finger. हम 9 को mind में रखेंगे और 5 fingers open करेंगे. Okay students. So 9 को mind में रखेंगे all of you with me. Keep number 9 in your mind. Open your 5 fingers. So 5 fingers open करेंगे. Okay. So open your 5 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 fingers are open. So which number is in our mind? 9. Or 5 fingers open. Now we will down our fingers and go backward counting until all the fingers get down. जब तक हमारी सारे fingers down नहीं होंगी हम backward counting कैरी करते रहेंगे. ओके, सो 9 माइंड में है. 9 से बैक 8, 8 के बैक 7, 7 से पहले कौन सा नंबर होता है? 6, 6 के पहले 5 और 5 के पहले 4. All fingers down, all fingers closed. So the answer is 4 and you have to write very clean. Okay, done. First one is done here. So we will do like this. Come to the next one. 8. It is the sign of minus or subtraction. 5. 8 minus 5 is equal to, find the answer. So we will keep number 8 in our mind. Open our 5 fingers. Okay students. 8 को mind में रखेंगे. 5 fingers open करेंगे. 8 को माइंड में रखेंगे, 5 फिंगर्स ओपन करेंगे और कैसी काउंटिंग करेंगे? विच काउंटिंग वी विल गो? बैकवर्ड और स्ट्रेट काउंटिंग? यस, टेल मी योरसेल्फ एवरीवन. यस, वेरी गुड. वी विल गो बैक काउंटिंग एज इट इज सब्ट्रैक्शन सम. और सब्ट्रैक्शन सम में हम कैसी काउंटिंग करते हैं? वेरी गुड, बैक काउंटिंग. कौन बोला फॉरवर्ड काउंटिंग? नो, वी विल गो बैक काउंटिंग. ओके, सो कीप 8 इन माइंड. Open your 5 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we have 5 fingers. So which number is in our mind? 8. 8 mind में 5 fingers open and then go back counting. Very good. 8 के back 7, 7 के back 6, 6 के back 5, 5 से back 4, 4 से बैक 3 You can see my all fingers down now. So the answer is 3. We will write here very clearly 3. Done? I am using the complete space and writing very neat and clean. 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. Next one is 15 minus 3 is equal to dash. Now 15 is 2-digit number, 3 is 1-digit number. So we can subtract it very easily. हम इसको बहुत easily subtract कर सकते हैं. Okay, you are so intelligent. So you will do with me, you will do with ma'am. हम मैम के साथ करेंगे ना, तो करेंगे हम सब अभी. 15 को माइंड में रखेंगे. And how many fingers we will open? Yes, very good. 3 fingers we will open up. 15 in mind, 3 fingers open. 15 in mind, 3 fingers open. 1, 2, 3. 3 fingers open. 15 को mind में रखा. 3 fingers open. And now go back counting. 15 के back 14, 13, 12. Do again. 14, 13, 12. Look बेटा, then keep this thing in your mind कि जो नंबर हमारे माइंड में होता है ना, हम उसके बैक या फिर उसी के फॉरवर्ड काउंट करते हैं. उस नंबर को हम काउंट नहीं करते, उसके बैक काउंट करते हैं. मतलब कि उससे प्रीवियस नंबर, उससे पिछला नंबर, उस नंबर को नहीं काउंट करेंगे. ओके, सो 15 के बैक 14, 14 के बैक 13 और 13 के बैक 12. You can see all fingers down. So that's why our answer is 1, 2, 12. And you can see how beautifully I am making every digit. That is why you also have to make very beautifully. Okay students, you have to make digits very beautifully. Done? Next one is 16 minus 4 is equal to, find the answer. So 16 minus 4 is equal to dash. 16 को माइंड में रखेंगे, 4 fingers open and then find the answer. So first of all, keep number 16 in mind. Open your 4 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we have 4 fingers. Now, which number is in our mind? 16. 16 mind में है. 4 fingers हमने open किए. Now, let's go back counting. अब हम 16 के back counting करते हैं. 16 के back 15, 15 से back 14, 14 से पहले कौन सा नंबर होता है? 13 और 13 के पहले 12. All fingers down. That is why answer is 12. Beautifully. Okay. So 16 minus 4 is equal to 12. 16 minus 4 is equal to 12. Come to the next one. Here we have done one row. The next one, 4 minus 3 is equal to dash. Keep number 4 in your mind. Open 3 fingers. 1, 2, 3. Number 4 in our mind. 3 fingers are open. Now go back counting. 4 के back 3, 2, 1. So our answer is 1. We will write here 1 in a very good handwriting. Okay, using complete space. Next is 3 minus 1. Here is the number 3. It is the sign of subtraction. Keep remember, it's the sign of subtraction. It's the sign of addition. 3 minus 1 is equal to dash. So we have to find the answer. Keep number 3 in mind. Open one finger. Here I have opened one finger. So 3 के back 2. 3 से back 2. One finger down. That is why answer is 2. Answer is 2. We will write here beautifully using complete space. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. Next, 17. Here is the number 17. It's 1, 7, 17. Minus 2. 17 minus 2. 17. Keep number 17 in your mind. Open 2 fingers. 2 fingers are open. Now go back counting. 17 के back 16. 16 के back 15. So answer will be 15. 1, 5, 15. 1, 5, 15. 1, 5, 15. Next is 18 minus 7 is equal to dash. Now we have to subtract 7 from 18. From 18 means 18 में से. तो आपके पास first number is 18. From that number you have to subtract 7. You have to find out that if you subtract 7 from 18, which number you will get. So that's why you have to keep number 18 in your mind. So let's keep number 18 in our mind by tapping our head and open 7 fingers. So let's start opening. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have opened our 7 fingers. 7 fingers here. Now number 18 is in our mind and we have opened our 7 fingers. Now let's go back counting. 18 के back 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11. All fingers down, and that's why we will write here 1, 1, 11. One thing I have to tell you here, students, that when you open your thumb, don't forget to close it. Sometimes what happens that you open thumb, you count it, but when we go backward counting, you forget to down it. आपको लगता है कि आपने इसको काउंट ही नहीं किया और आप इसको डाउन भी नहीं करते हैं. That's why your answer becomes wrong. आप जब इसको काउंट नहीं करेंगे तो आपका आंसर wrong होगा. So don't forget to count thumb if you have opened it. अगर आपने thumb को open किया तो इसको काउंट करना नहीं भूले. So here we have done that one. Okay, students. Students, now let's do the next sums. 7 minus 4 is equal to, find the answer. So we have to find 7 minus 4 is equal to what? We have to find our answer. That what would be the answer? So let's keep number 7 in mind and open 4 fingers. Number 7 को हम माइंड में रखेंगे और हम अपनी 4 fingers open करेंगे. Then we will go back counting. We will start doing back counting. The number which is in our mind, from that number we will go back counting. जो नंबर हमारे माइंड में है, हम उस नंबर से बैक काउंटिंग करना स्टार्ट करेंगे. So let's start doing. Keep number 7 in your mind. Yes, by tapping your head and open 4 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we have 4 fingers opened. So 7. Number 7 is in our mind and we will open our 4 fingers. Now go back counting to 7. अब हम 7 से back counting करेंगे. 7 के back counting करेंगे because we do backward counting in subtraction. So हम 7 के back counting करना start करेंगे. So before 7 which number comes? 6. Before 6 5. Before 5 4 and before 4 3. Again 7 के पहले 6, 6 के पहले 5, 5 के पहले 4 और 4 के पहले 3. So as you can see that all fingers are closed now. That's why the answer is 3. We have to write very clearly and beautifully. Okay, you have to make digits like me. Okay students, you have to make all the numbers like me. Sundar sundar and beautifully. Ekdam clearly and neatly. Then come to the next one. 9 minus 3. The sum is, we can read the sum 9 minus 3. Or we can say 3 subtract 3 from 9. 3 को 9 में से subtract करो. Why? क्योंकि जब भी हम subtraction करते हैं स्टूडेंट्स तो हम बिग नंबर में से स्मॉल नंबर को माइनस करते हैं. कभी भी आप स्मॉल में से बिग को माइनस नहीं कर सकते. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो ऑलवेज कीप रिमेंबर कि ऑलवेज जब भी आप सब्ट्रैक्शन करते हैं तो सब्ट्रैक्शन करने में बिग नंबर में से स्मॉल नंबर को माइनस करते हैं. ओके, सो कीप फर्स्ट नंबर इन माइंड एंड ओपन फिंगर्स of second number. So keep number 9 in your mind by tapping hand and open 3 fingers. 1, 2, 3. Here I have opened 3 fingers. And which number is in our mind? 9. 9 mind में है, 3 fingers open. And then go back counting. 9 के back 8, 8 के back 7, 7 के back 6. Again 9 के बैक 8, 8 के बैक 7, 7 के बैक 6. All fingers down. So that's why answer is 6. Beautifully we will make 6 here. Done? We will make beautifully 6. Here we have done it. Now move to the next question. And the question is 16 minus 5. Now we have to subtract 16 and 5. हमें 16 में से 5 को क्या करना है? Subtract. और we can say minus. हमें 16 में से 5 को क्या करना है? Minus करना है. Okay. So first of all, what will we do? We will keep number 16 in our mind and open 5 fingers. Why? As because we have to keep first number in our mind and open the fingers the number that is at second place. जो नंबर सेकंड प्लेस पर हम उतने ही फिंगर्स को ओपन करते हैं. एंड देन वी गो बैकवर्ड काउंटिंग. बैकवर्ड मीन्स उल्टी गिनती. बैकवर्ड मीन्स उल्टी गिनती. फिर हम बैक जैसे बैक स्टेप्स लेते हैं ना, लाइक दिस, वैसे ही हम बैक काउंटिंग करेंगे. मीन्स पीछे पीछे स्टेप्स लेंगे अपने. ओके, पीछे की तरफ मीन्स उल्टी गिनती काउंट करेंगे. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट डूइंग. 16 को माइंड में रखेंगे. 5 fingers open and go back counting. 5 fingers open first of all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you have opened thumb, so don't forget to count it. Okay. So 5 fingers are here. Now let's go back counting. 16 is on our mind and now let's go backward counting. So students, 16 के back 15, 15 के back 14, 13, yes 12 and 11. Do again. 16 के back 15, 14, 13, 12, 11. All fingers down. So that is why the answer is 11. And how to write 11? 1, 1, 11. Done. So we can say 16 minus 5 is equal to 11. 16 minus 5 is equal to 11. Come to the next one. 15 minus 2 is equal to, find the answer. We have to subtract 2 from 15. So keep number 15 in your mind. Open 2 fingers. Here we have 2 fingers. Open 2 fingers and now go backward counting. So 15 ke back 14, 14 ke back 13. Both fingers down. That is why the answer is 1, 3, 13. Students, here is your homework. That sums of subtraction, heading is subtract. These sums you have to do in your fair notebook by making 2-line format. You have to make only 2-line format and write digits like me beautifully and clearly. So you have to solve these sums here. First, second, third, fourth and fifth. These 5 sums you have to solve in your fair notebook and submit its solution on WhatsApp group, or you can send it on email ID. It's mandatory to send for everyone. Now let's discuss the homework solution of previous lecture, lecture number 3. In lecture number 3 you got these sums for solving. Now let's see how we did it. 7 minus 4 is equal to dash. So I hope you all have done. Now let's have a look how to solve these sums. Keep number 7 in your mind. Open your 4 fingers. 4. And now go back counting. 7 ke back 6, 5, 4, 3. That's why the answer is 3 here. Next, 8 minus 3. Keep 8 in your mind. Open 3 fingers. 3 fingers. And now go back counting. 8 ke back 7, 6, 5. That's why answer is 5. 9 minus 2. Keep 9 in your mind. Open 2 fingers and go back counting. 9 ke back 8, 8 ke back 7. Answer is 7 now. Done? Next one, 4 minus 4. Keep number 4 in your mind. Open 4 fingers and now go back counting. 4 ke back 3, 2, 1, 0. Answer is 0. 6 minus 1. Keep number 6 in your mind. Open 1 finger. 6 ke back 5. So answer is 5. So here we have done homework solution of previous lecture. I hope you all have done also. So ultimately I want to request you that please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Share all these videos with your relatives and with your friends. Till the next video, bye bye, take care.